What's up guys, good morning. So this morning I decided to make a video me detailing / washing my truck. Never done this before, however, you know, I've been into detailing for quite a while. Obviously copying many folks there out there on YouTube. Yeah, there's a lot to learn. I didn't know anything before that, so I used to go to the car wash like everybody else, and I found those swirls and everything on my truck, and that wasn't good enough. Okay, so I decided to buy some equipment, and I upgraded my equipment. I've got this power washer, a gas power washer. I've got a WORX leaf blower with I think 800 CFM. Yes, 800 CFM. That model is new. Find it on Amazon. Foam cannon, you know, what everybody does. What else did I use? Quick detailer from Chemical Guys, after wash from Chemical Guys, all kinds of stuff, you know. Anyway, don't want to waste too much time describing what I'm gonna do, because why don't you go ahead and watch it? Well, thanks for being here. Appreciate it. Bye.